Hello.
Hey, concrete fans.
It's us.
It's us.
Who's us?
Mr. Concrete. I'm trying to point at us. Mr. Concrete Concrete. And
Ratgirl. And our faces are revealed.
yeah, we decided to add a little picture, a little tiny us over here so you see us, I guess.
Yeah.
Here we are now.
That's us. And we're actually reversed right now. I'm actually not standing there.
I know, that's kind of weird. I'm gonna have a hard time looking at the camera too, because
Yeah.
we have a full new camera rig, video setup, still very basic, but we wanted to show you something a little bit better, and hopefully we're increasing the quality of video so that you guys can see like fun, so it's funner to watch, more engaging.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hopefully we're gonna have effects soon. We're at the basics right now, but
we're learning a lot.
We're gonna learn the transition
about cameras and videos and mixing boards and whatever. But today we've got something fun to talk about.
We already released it, but we decided to do a video.
Hey, look at this thing.
What is that?
I'm assuming it is a small kit of pigment.
Maybe.
Okay.
Let's open it.
It's a nice box. Oh, look at this. This is like very nice. Hey,
look at that.
That's beautiful.
So these are pigments.
Yes, I like the blue. Give me this.
You like the blue? I like the yellow. It's a pigment kit that we made for, I don't know, newbies, beginners, or just if you want to sample or colors. If you have a little project that doesn't take much color.
Yeah. One of the fun things about Concrete is that we do like everything in-house. So the way that how do we get these little jars of pigment?
It was hard to even just get these jars. But filling these up.
We fill them up. We fill them up by hand. We take a day and we just start filling jars of pigment, and we put them in a little box.
And we make sure it's tight.
We make sure it's tight, and we package them so they don't. You got green on you.
That's okay.
Yeah, we just want to make something really kind of user-friendly. Pigments are messy and dirty, and they're hard to figure out which ones are going to work for concrete. So these are pigments that we've tested, we trust. We use them all the time. I feel very good about them. I wouldn't sell anything that I don't use myself. So, but this is a way. It's a really low, easy entry point just to be like, try some pigments. Maybe you'll like using pigments to get really beautiful, vibrant colors, or maybe you'll use them and you'll be like, you know what, I'm into just gray. Let's just keep working with gray. I don't think that'll be the case, but.
And measuring is different too. Like if I do make a suggestion, if you order this and you really want to make a lot out of the most, I would order a bit more white. I would order a bag of white. Yeah. So you could get some pastel.
I think it's a good
suggestion. If you want vibrant colors, like everybody on the internet has been.
Vibrant.
Bright.
Super bright.
If you want bright, then.
So we have on our website, Concrete website, some mix guidelines. Mix, experiment. We're all for experimentation. But one of the things with looking at guidelines, you can oversaturate with pigments. Eventually, if you're using pigments, you get to the point where you've put in so much pigment that you're not getting any more return on like the color out of the pigment. It hits a saturation point.
Yeah.
For most pigments, that saturation point is about 40 grams per kilo. That's a fully saturated color. Yeah. There are a few exceptions. Trying to get a super, super black. Yeah. You might go up to 70 grams. As you get into those high saturations of pigment, you can start to change the mechanical properties of your concrete.
Yeah, and it's going to be weak concrete.
It'll make your concrete, you can start making your concrete weaker. You can start changing consistency, mix consistency. Some pigments are really like oversaturating in white. Will make your concrete not level as easily. So it takes a little bit more work to get it to level.
And it sounds silly because you're like, I want it to be really yellow. I'm going to put the whole jar of yellow. No, that's not how it works. Measuring is super important.
You got to measure.
Our swatch guide and color guide is for our concrete. We can't guarantee it on other concretes that have different colors.
Yeah, it's for specifically gray matter.
Ours is gray.
But it is, it probably would kind of work with other, but everything's built around the gray matter concrete system.
Yeah, make a sample before you go.
Mainly just we want to test. We don't want you to have to do the test work. Yeah. We'll do the test work. We'll figure out what works and try to get you something where you're going to see success right away. Because the sooner you see success, the more fun you have making stuff.
I agree. That's a review on it. It's perfect for beginners, novice, experiments,
I think so.
whatever you want.
I'm gonna close it back up.
Yep.
Did we do it? That was the first
That was
video
our
with
first video
our
with our face.
reveal. Okay,
Ah.
that's fun.
All right.
Well, bye everyone.
Bye.